good morning class, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's lecture I will draw the Phasor diagram of parallel connected transformer for equal voltage ratio E equal to EB and same X by R ratio. If the X by R ratio is same, then transformer will operate at the same power factor of equal to load power factor. We will see in the Phasor diagram. So what is the circuit diagram? There are two transformer A and transformer B, both are connected in parallel and EA equal to EB. So these are equipotential point, you can connect together. So this is ZA, impedance of transformer A, ZB, impedance of transformer B. This is the load voltage V and the load current IL. So EA you can write V plus IA ZA, EB similarly you can write V plus IB ZB. So how to draw the phasor diagram? V is the reference phasor, so this is V plus IB ZB you have to draw. For example, if IA is lagging with an angle phi A and IB is lagging with an angle phi B, this is IL, it is lagging with an phi L. So how to draw IARA? It will be in the same phase for IARA equal to IBRB, and at 90 degree it will be JIAXA equal to JIBXB, and the resultant of IARA and JIAXA it will be IAZA plus IBZB, and the final resultant of V plus IARA plus JIAXA it will be EA, and V plus IBRB plus JIBXB it will be EB. So this is the final phasor diagram, and this is the theta A impedance angle equal to theta B. If the transformers have same X by R ratio, then their theta equal to will be theta V, their impedance angle will be same. So you can say here transformers are operating at the same power factor and it is equal to the load power factor. Okay, so thank you for watching.